Hi guys! In today's tutorial I'll be doing a lovely unicorn set using glitters, gel polish, some water decals. So here I'm just putting a nice thin layer of pink gel polish on. I will be doing 2 coats of this and curing in between. This gel polish is 1361 from Sandy from SW Nail Supplies on Facebook, which I'll leave a link in the description box below. They apply beautiful and the coverage is really good too. I really like these gel polishes and she does some brilliant deals. So go and check her out. This set was based on this picture here, which I post every fortnight in the Nail Sugar group. So I was inspired and I wanted to do a set by that picture. Okay, so these water decals are from Print by Example by Rachel Hanks. So all you do is you cut out the one that you would like to use, which I'm just cutting close to it, but just enough so you can hold it as well. So just cut that out, cut the little excess bits off, like so. And here I'm just putting it on my little nail stand. Get some water and then you just pop it in and wait for about 30 seconds. Get some paper towel ready so you can dab off the excess water with your tweezers as well. I took it out a little bit too soon, so I just popped it back in and left it a little bit longer. Okay, so that's ready now. I'm just dabbing the excess water off. And as you can see, it just literally slides off the backing paper. Move the water out of my way so I don't knock it over. And just gently place it where you'd like it and then just rub over with your finger or your silicone tool, like I'm doing here. Okay, so now I'm just going to get some no wipe top coat from SBD London and just slightly float it over first so you don't move your decal. And then once you're ready, pop it in for a cure. Then I decided to top coat all of the nails. You'll see why in a second. This was one of those sets that I didn't really know what I wanted to do with them. I just went with it, as you do. So yeah, here I am just going over the remainder of the nails, and then once you're happy, pop them in for a cure. Here I've got the amazing Natalie Mugridge detail brush from Nail Sugar UK. I will leave all the links in the description box below. And I'm just putting some white gel polish on my palette. Just not too much. Okay, so now I'm just going around the top of the nail where the cuticle would be. So I went a little bit out of shot then. So I'm just going round that bit there. Not too thick, just a nice thin coat, but enough, if that makes any sense. Okay, so now I'm going to do it on the tip of the nail. A little bit like a, what do you call it? A French tip. I can't think of the blooming word. My head's gone today. Work's been rather busy again. So yeah, I'm just doing a nice thin layer there on the tip of the nail. Smile line, that's what it is, smile line. Got there in the end. So once you've done that, do not cure. Now I'm going to get this gorgeous Blue Lagoon glitter from Nail Sugar. Beautiful, fine glitter, iridescent. And just tipping that over the gel polish, letting it sink in, just tapping off the excess. And then once I've done this, I pop it in for a double cure, just to make sure it's cured underneath. Okay, so now onto the next nail, which I'm going to be doing it in stripes. And then in between each one, I will be adding different glitters. And then curing in between each one, so they don't run into each other, or the glitter doesn't stick, the different coloured glitters doesn't stick to the other ones, I meant. Now that one is out of the lamp, nicely cured. Wouldn't focus for some reason. And then I'm just going to get a nail brush and some paper towel and just gently just wipe off the excess, brush off the excess. Okay, just like the other nail, just tipping it over, make sure it's not sinking in nicely. Then just tap off the excess and cure in between. I only do a half cure, and then I do a full cure at the end. So I'll just let you watch this bit as each stripe is all the same. So enjoy, and I'll be back in a little while. Okay, so that's all them done. So then pop that in for a full cure. And then just give it a little brush off. Oops. And then I wasn't happy that there just wasn't enough on that nail, so I thought I'll go over it with white gel polish. And then this was a I don't know what to do nail, so I just had to play. So I just do a thin layer of white gel polish, and then do not cure this. And then I would be getting Blue Lagoon glitter with Sugar Baby. And then I've just thought I'd tip it over and see how it would work. And I actually quite liked it, really. Apart from some of the blue went into the pink, but that doesn't matter. I kind of liked it. Okay, so just a little bit of blue there, then pop it in for a full cure. Once that's cured, just brush off the excess glitter. And that's that set finished. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I loved creating them. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get notifications on my next videos. Here's just some snapshots of the finished results. Thank you very much and bye!